Man versus crocodile. Who can do more push-ups? Today we're gonna find out. It's day 67 of the 100-day push-up challenge. Every single day I'm doing one more push-up. For every 5 likes, I'm doing one more push-up on day 100. For every new subscriber, I'm doing one more push-up on day 100. So do not touch that like button. Do not touch the subscribe button because we're already up to 125 push-ups or so. Okay, let's see. Are you ready, buddy? Let's do it. So you guys are the judges. Who did the push-ups better? Was it me or was it this beautiful animal over here? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys later, alligators.